Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And guess what? We finally had an amazing day and a day that we actually hit over $2,000. We're finally back up to above 29,000. So a little bit more, and we're back up to 30K, which means we are still $21,000 off from our main goal of the year of 50K. So today we're up about 6.59%. Up 1,700, and after hours it's looking really good. Then this week we are down 8.46%, down $2,600. Past month down 20%, down $7,600. Past 3 months down 0.83%, $240, and the past year we're up 24%. Back in on February 10th, we hit our highs of 47,000. So on February 10th, even on February 10th, we were very close, very, very close to hitting our main goal of 50K by the end of the year. But then the market decided to correct, or at least my portfolio did. And all the stocks I had since February 10th have been dropping. Just look at this. NEO stock, for example. It's at basically $38, right? If you look at the past 3 months, since February 10th or February 9th, it just dropped dramatically. Just look at this. The highest we've seen was on the 11th of January, where NEO hit up almost $67, $66.99. And since then, it has not even been close to hitting all-time highs, except for this day right here on the 9th. Then we have Shopify. Look at the past 3 months. The highest it's been was on February 10th, where it was about a quarter away to hitting 1,500, and it did not hit it. So even right now, if you were to buy Shopify, you would need to go up 50% for it to go back to its all-time highs, which is actually a pretty nice return just from buying right now. If Shopify was to go back up to its all-time highs anytime soon. Then we have Afria. If you look in the past 3 months, February 10th was a day where Afria hit $32.29, where it got pumped all the way up to $32. And I said on that day, if Afria goes up again tomorrow, I'm going to sell off some of my shares. And guess what happened? The next day, it pulled back tremendously. And imagine if I did sell off and I was able to get shares back up about half price. That would have been beautiful. But, of course, it didn't happen. So I just stick to what I said I was going to do. If it went up, then I'll sell. But it didn't go up, so I did not sell. Then we have Corsair. Let's look at the past 3 months. What day? The 9th. Seems like the 9th. Oh, actually, the 27th, where it almost close to hitting $50. It's at 33 right now. Take a look at Tesla. Tesla, what's the highest point Tesla's been at? Tesla's highest point that's been was $900, and this was on January 25th. Yeah, January 25th. Let's look at MP. When was the last time MP? I think MP's been doing pretty well. Then earnings came. They did really well on earnings, but then been taking since then. The highest they've been is $51.77 since March, the beginning of March. Dropbox has been doing very well. This is the only one that's actually been doing very well. Highest it's been $28.33. Jumia, February 10th, 11 cents off. It's getting close to $70, just 11 cents off on February 10th. So February 10th was the day where my portfolio, where a few of the stocks on that day peaked out and haven't even been close to getting back to its all-time highs, like NEO. And NEO is almost $30 away from its all-time highs, almost cut in half. Shopify, a third, cut into 30% off. Afria, $15 off of its all-time highs. Corsair, it was at $51, I believe. Tesla, a third of its value cut. MP hit 51, a third of its value just cut. Dropbox, right there, it's getting close. And then you have Jumia, where basically half. So look at that. Almost all the stocks that I've owned have been either cut in half or cut into a third of what it used to be. So even if the market was decided to go down even more, even at these prices, they're at a massive discounts to where they were at their all-time highs. And I'm not saying that I would buy them still. I would still be patient and wait it out, especially if the interest rates go up more. We might see these stocks go down even more. They might go down even more. You might see NEO go down from discounts that they are to gain closer to 60-70% discount. But you never know, right? You never know. And the way that I'm seeing things, I would like to uh, cut my risk down by lowering my margin before I buy anything else. So most likely in the morning or later on, I will deposit about $700. I think $700 is the number for me. That's the number that I'm comfortable with depositing. So I'll be able to lower my margin down to closer to 13,000. And yeah, that's the goal. I'm gonna keep depositing. Remember, the goal is to hit 50K by the end of the year. I'll keep you guys updated. And that's how the portfolio is. And almost every single one of my stocks are not even close to all-time highs, except for Dropbox. That's the only one.